Competitive world of YouTube movie commentary, creators must constantly engage their audience to stay relevant. For a time, Quamax was a notable presence, building a community around his passionate and detailed film reviews. Viewers were drawn to his strong opinions and sharp wit, which made his videos feel both entertaining and informative. However, in recent months, a noticeable and troubling shift has occurred in his content's tone. What was once seen as passionate has now become increasingly confrontational, with a growing number of subscribers expressing concern over his changing demeanor and its impact on the channel's environment. The most evident change is Quamax's escalating use of profanity. While some may have found his occasional colorful language charming or authentic in the past, it has become a constant and often gratuitous feature of his videos. The explicit language no longer serves to emphasize a point, but seems to be a default mode of expression, even for minor frustrations. This has not only made his content less accessible to a wider audience, but has also alienated longtime fans, who feel the excessive swearing detracts from his actual commentary and analysis. It creates a sense that the channel is more interested in shock value than in genuine film discussion. Further compounding the issue is Quamax's tendency to get angry easily, a trait that is becoming more pronounced in his recent videos. Whether it's a minor plot hole in a movie he's reviewing, or a comment from a viewer that he disagrees with, his emotional responses are often disproportionately intense. His frustration quickly turns into unfiltered rage, creating a hostile and uncomfortable viewing experience. This volatility makes it difficult for subscribers to engage in meaningful dialogue, as they fear their own opinions might trigger an angry outburst. The channel has transitioned from a place of spirited debate to a platform where disagreement is met with hostility. Ultimately, the combination of increased profanity and a short temper is creating a toxic atmosphere that is pushing his audience away. The very community that once found him relatable and engaging is now feeling alienated and disrespected. A commentary channel thrives on the back and forth between the creator and their community, but Quamax's recent behavior has made that interaction feel like a liability for his subscribers. Unless he can find a way to temper his emotions and create a more respectful environment, he risks losing the very audience that made his channel successful in the first place.